Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to Koja Beauty. Summer is finally here and the weather has been amazing, but with the hot temperatures our skin changes, so it's important to update your skincare routine accordingly. I have very dry skin, for example, but during the hot summer months my skin tends to be more on the oily side but dehydrated at the same time. Another super annoying thing is that my skin becomes more prone to breakouts, blackheads and enlarged pores in general, and over the years I found some amazing products that help to keep my skin happy, healthy and clear from breakouts during the summer. So without any further ado, here are my top Korean skincare favorites for the summer. The ISNTREE Green Tea Fresh Toner. This toner is great because it's lightweight and it's formulated with 80% green tea extract to soothe the skin, but it's also mildly exfoliating to unclog pores. Another reason why I love this toner is because it helps to control sebum, and I always switch to this toner during the summertime. Next up we have the Klairs Daily Skin Softening Water. This one is my latest Korean skincare edition and I have been really enjoying this toner. First of all, I love the size of this toner. It's 500 milliliters, so it lasts for a while. Secondly, the ingredients list is very short and it's formulated without any irritating ingredients, which makes it perfect for those with extremely sensitive skin. Then we have the Keep Cool Bamboo Toner. And even though Keep Cool is still a relatively new brand to me, their bamboo skincare line has quickly become a staple in my skincare shelf, especially the bamboo toner. What makes their skincare so special is the fact that they use a blend of plant extracts used in traditional Korean medicine to lower fever. And the idea is that using them in skincare will give the skin a cooling and therefore soothing and refreshing effect. So it's perfect for hot summer days. Moving on, I have the COSRX BHA Blackhead Power Liquid. This is a staple in my summer Korean skincare routine. It's a treatment with 4% salicylic acid, which helps to fight blackheads and breakouts. You only use this 2 to 3 times a week at nighttime, and it does such a fantastic job at dissolving the sebum in the pores. This will definitely be something that you will love as well. But it's important to use sunscreen after using a BHA like this because it can make your skin a little bit more sensitive and susceptible to UV rays. Then I have the Som by Me AC SOS kit. If you have oily and acne prone skin, I can highly recommend this kit. It has 3 different types of exfoliants to help remove dead skin cells, unblock pores and refine your skin's texture. Another skincare staple of mine is the Benton Propolis Soothing Gel. For those with extremely oily skin, you will love this gel. It's a very lightweight and instantly soothing moisturizer, and you can also use it after sun exposure to cool down your skin, which is what I normally do. And the aloe extract helps to soothe the skin and propolis helps to restore the skin. Now this is a moisturizer that I've been talking about a lot lately, and it's the Bonajour Green Tea Water Bomb. This one I highly recommend, especially for summertime, because it has such a lightweight texture and it absorbs easily into the skin. And I also find it extremely hydrating without feeling heavy at all. And of course, how can I recommend Korean summer skincare without mentioning sunscreen? And this is the Skin&Lab Free Sun Lotion. I have talked about this sunscreen a lot, but I want to mention it again because it's so incredibly lightweight, and the general rule is to use about 1 teaspoon of sunscreen for your entire face and neck. And this can be difficult when your sunscreen has a thick consistency that doesn't absorb easily into the skin. But lucky for you, the Skin&Lab Free Sun Lotion absorbs super quickly into the skin without leaving any sticky or oily residue on the face. Last but not least, I have the Heimish Hydrogel Eye Patch. Whenever I'm in the sun for too long, my skin always ends up super dehydrated, and I don't know if it makes sense to you, but my skin will be oily and dehydrated at the same time, especially under my eye area. So these patches are actually a blessing. My little trick is to keep them in the fridge for an extra cooling effect and then put it under my eyes, and it's so refreshing and cooling and just brings my skin back to life. So those were my best Korean summer skincare recommendations. I try to keep it very short. If you want me to do a longer video with all the products that I recommend, then let me know in the comments down below. And also let me know what your favorite Korean skincare products are. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then make sure to give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!